A software project dashboard is well crafted. Every indicator is green, progress bars are full, and charts look stable. The system feels calm and controlled, as if everything important is under control. Green is comforting because it turns complex work into a simple signal of safety. In a leadership review, that same dashboard appears on a large screen. Sprint progress is green, velocity looks steady, and tickets are closing on schedule. Someone nods and says the work is on track, and the meeting quickly moves on. Green means no action is needed. At the same time, inside the team, the experience feels very different. A developer waits for approval that has not arrived. A designer refreshes a document filled with unanswered comments. A QA lead watches an environment that still is not ready. People are working, but progress feels thin. Conversations stall. Messages go unanswered. And work pauses in quiet ways that are hard to explain. Effort is high, but movement feels slow and fragile. Two realities exist at the same time. Leadership experiences clarity and confidence. Teams experience friction and uncertainty. The gap between those experiences is where delivery risk quietly accumulates. That gap exists because dashboards are not designed to measure flow. They are designed to measure activity. They show what the system can record, not what people experience while trying to move work forward. A ticket can change status without changing reality. It moves from to do to in progress to review while still waiting on the same unanswered question. The dashboard celebrates motion even when outcomes do not move. Imagine a package in a warehouse being scanned again and again. The tracking system shows constant activity, yet the package still waits on the same pallet for a truck that never arrives. The data is accurate, but the story it tells is misleading. This is what waiting looks like in delivery. Waiting for decisions, waiting for clarification, waiting for dependencies, waiting for priority confirmation. None of this waiting turns a dashboard red. From above, the system looks busy and healthy. From inside, it feels stuck and heavy. Motion creates comfort, but comfort is not the same as control. Dashboards stay green because they are blind to waiting. They do not show how long decisions have been pending. They do not show ownership gaps or unresolved assumptions. Time disappears from the signal. What dashboards do show is activity. Columns change, states flip, and percentages rise. Motion looks productive, especially when viewed from a distance. Over time, green becomes addictive. Green reduces anxiety and buys time. Green tells leaders everything is fine, even when the system is quietly slowing down. Zoom in on a single ticket in review. It has been touched many times with comments and edits. Yet the core decision is still missing, and the work cannot move forward. Zoom out to dependencies between teams. Work moves from one group to another, adding delay at every handoff. No one owns the entire chain, so waiting multiplies. Dashboards rarely show how old that waiting is. They show that work exists, not how long it has been stuck. Aging work remains invisible. Eventually, something breaks. A release slips, a demo is delayed, or quality drops. It feels sudden, but nothing new actually went wrong. The system was failing slowly the entire time. The dashboard did not predict the failure because it was never designed to see it. This is not a tooling failure. The tools are doing exactly what they were asked to do. It is a signal design failure. If you only track activity, you will only see activity. If you do not track waiting, you will never see blockage. Touching work is not the same as moving work. A treadmill has constant activity, but it goes nowhere. Flow is movement toward outcomes. Activity is movement inside a system. One creates value, the other creates comfort. Better dashboards make waiting visible. They show aging work, blocked reasons, and missing decisions. They make constraints impossible to ignore. When waiting becomes visible, conversations change. The focus shifts from being busy to removing blockage. Delivery stops being surprising. The next time everything looks green, ask a different question. What is waiting right now, and for how long?